Stay, Def. Stay. Up in this salt grass, salicornia flat here, a little bit flooded. Got one duck over there, a couple more on my sled. Pretty little cover. Ducks aren't flying very well, but they love this flooded salt grass and salicornia, this really shallow stuff, anywhere from an inch to 6 inches of water. I'll show you what salicornia is. This is salicornia. It is a lot thicker than that, and as it dries out and floods, they like to skim the tops of this off the surface. It's very salty. I think that might be where they get their sodium intake. So anyway, just want to show you guys a pretty beautiful sunset. Got a few mallards. Two green heads in the hand today. Season's been pretty slow, so hopefully the rest are coming soon. Another beautiful sunset. Flooded salicornia with the dog, Daffy. A few duck tracks in here. I don't know if you can see that, but they love this stuff. Right off the edge of flooded salt grass and bulrush and stuff a lot of the time. Where the mallards and teal and pintail, mostly mallards, absolutely love this stuff. So the kind of stuff you want to be